Bali is not just another tourist destination. It's a magical realm where serenity marries adventure. Picture this, an island paradise where the air is filled with the scent of incense and the rhythm of traditional Balinese music. Bali, an Indonesian island known for its lush landscapes, is a tapestry of vibrant colors and diverse cultures, where every corner whispers a different story. From the idyllic coastline that stretches as far as the eye can see, to the spiritual aura of Ubud, the island's cultural heart, Bali is a feast for the senses. Here you can lose yourself in the bustling markets of Seminyak, or find tranquility amidst the sacred temples of Kuta. But the allure of Bali doesn't stop at its typical tourist attractions. Venture off the beaten path, and you'll discover a side of Bali that's as untamed as it is beautiful. Hidden amidst the island's lush greenery are waterfalls that cascade into serene pools, and terraced rice fields that paint the landscape in shades of emerald and gold. These offbeat places, untouched by the hustle and bustle of tourist crowds, offer a unique glimpse into the island's natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Perhaps you're wondering, why venture off the beaten path? Well, these less explored places give you the chance to experience Bali in its most authentic form. Here, you can immerse yourself in the island's spiritual culture, sample local cuisine that's as diverse as it is delicious, and witness the everyday life of the Balinese people. And who are these offbeat places best suited for? They're for the wanderers, the explorers, who yearn for more than just a typical holiday. They're for those who want to dive deep into the heart of a place, to understand its people, its culture, and its stories. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, Bali promises an adventure like no other. From its vibrant markets to its serene temples, from its bustling beaches to its tranquil waterfalls, every corner of Bali is a treasure waiting to be discovered. Bali is much more than its beaches and nightclubs. It's an untamed beauty waiting to be explored. Ever wondered where the Balinese find their peace? It's in the heart of nature, away from the bustling crowds. Bali, an island paradise, is not just about sun-soaked beaches and vibrant nightlife. It's also a spiritual sanctuary where serenity and tranquility are as much a part of the experience as the vibrant bustle. And it's in the lesser-known spiritual places that you can truly connect with the soul of Bali. Imagine stepping into a world where time slows down, where the air is heavy with the scent of incense, and the only sound you hear is the soft rustling of leaves. This is the experience that awaits you in the sacred temples tucked away in Bali's lush countryside. Places like Gunung Kawi Sabatu Temple, an oasis of calm hidden amidst verdant rice fields, or the ancient Pura Luhur Batukaru, nestled on the slopes of Mount Batukaru, offer a spiritual respite from the outside world. These sacred spaces are not just places of worship but also integral parts of the local culture. They are where the Balinese connect with their gods, where they participate in rituals that have been passed down through generations, and where they find peace in their daily lives. The spiritual practices and beliefs of the Balinese are deeply intertwined with their daily life, creating a unique culture that is both fascinating and inspiring. But what makes these spiritual places truly special is the tranquility they offer. Here you can meditate to the soothing sounds of nature, participate in traditional ceremonies, or simply soak in the serene atmosphere. You'll leave feeling rejuvenated, with a deeper understanding of Bali's spiritual side. So when you're planning your Bali adventure, make sure to include these spiritual havens in your itinerary. They might not be as well known as Ubud's monkey forest or Kuta's nightlife, but they offer a different, equally enchanting side of Bali. Unearth the spiritual side of Bali, where tranquility and culture blend beautifully. Bali's culinary scene is a delicious secret tucked away from the usual tourist radar. Imagine strolling down narrow alleyways, the aroma of fragrant spices and grilling meats wafting through the air, leading you to a bustling food joint where locals gather for their daily meals. This is where you find the heart and soul of Balinese cuisine, in the humble street food stalls and local eateries, far from the fancy restaurants and cafes. Let's start with the iconic babi guling, a dish that sings the song of Balinese tradition. It's a succulent roast pig, marinated in a blend of indigenous herbs and spices, and slow-roasted on an open fire. The result? An explosion of flavors that will have your taste buds dancing in delight. Then, there's satay lilit, a unique twist on the common satay. This delicacy is made from minced seafood, infused with a rich medley of Balinese spices, and then wrapped and grilled on a lemongrass stick. It's a taste of the island's abundant marine life, captured in each delicious bite. And if you're a fan of sweet treats, don't miss out on jaja laklak, a traditional Balinese pancake. Made from rice flour and coconut milk, these small, fluffy pancakes are topped with grated coconut and palm sugar syrup. It's a sweet ending to any meal, or a perfect snack to enjoy with a cup of Bali's famous coffee. But Balinese cuisine isn't just about the food, it's about the experience. It's about sitting on a plastic stool in a bustling market, chatting with friendly locals. It's about watching the food being prepared right in front of you, a testament to the skill and passion of the street food vendors. It's about discovering new, exciting flavors and stepping out of your comfort zone. So next time you're in Bali, venture off the beaten path. Skip the tourist traps and head to where the locals eat. Try the dishes that you can't pronounce and let your palate explore the rich tapestry of flavors that is Balinese cuisine. Embark on a culinary journey in Bali where every dish tells a story. Bali's nature trails are a paradise undiscovered, a world away from the frequented tourist spots. Imagine this. You're off the beaten path, weaving through the verdant undergrowth, the scent of the wild tickling your senses. This is Bali untouched, Bali unseen. This is where the magic happens. Out here the air is different. It's cleaner, purer, filled with the soft whispers of leaves rustling in the wind and the distant call of exotic birds. You might stumble upon hidden waterfalls, their waters cascading down in a symphony of sound, enveloped by lush greenery. Or perhaps you'll find secluded beaches, where the waves kiss the shore in a quiet serenade, and you can bask in the serenity, far from the madding crowd. These trails aren't just about the breathtaking vistas, though. They're about the thrill of the unknown, the excitement of exploration. They're about the adventures you can have. Picture yourself ziplining through the canopy, heart pounding in your chest as you soar above the treetops, or river rafting down turbulent currents, adrenaline surging with every twist and turn. And who are these trails for? They're for the nature lovers, the adventurers, the seekers of the extraordinary. They're for those who find beauty in the wild, who crave the thrill of discovery, who yearn for experiences that stir the soul and awaken the senses. These untouched corners of Bali are a testament to the island's diverse beauty. They offer a different kind of Bali experience, one that's raw, authentic, and deeply personal. Here you're not just a spectator, but a participant in the grand spectacle of nature. So if you're yearning for adventure, if you're seeking something beyond the usual, step off the trodden path. Venture into the heart of Bali, where the wilderness beckons and the extraordinary awaits. Explore Bali's untouched wilderness where adventure awaits at every turn. Bali's art villages are a testament to its rich heritage, silently echoing the island's history and culture. As we delve deeper into the heart of the island, we uncover the lesser-known art and craft villages, where creativity thrives and tradition reigns supreme. Imagine strolling through narrow lanes, the air brimming with the scent of wood and paint. On either side, you witness artisans immersed in their craft, their hands moving with a rhythm honed over years, even decades. These are the true custodians of Bali's artistic legacy, shaping raw materials into beautiful artifacts, each a masterpiece in its own right. Take Saluk Village, for instance, the island's undisputed hub of silver and goldsmiths. Here, intricate designs come to life under the skilled hands of the local artisans, their craft passed down through generations. Every piece, whether it's a delicate necklace or an ornate statue, tells a story of dedication and craftsmanship. Then there's the village of Batubulan, where the ancient art of stone carving comes alive. The village's name itself translates to moonstone, a nod to its rocky heritage. Here, the stone statues are not just decorative pieces, but are steeped in spiritual significance, adorning temples and public spaces across the island. And who can forget the vibrant village of Batik Topati, home to Bali's traditional textile art. The intricate patterns and vivid colors of batik are a feast for the eyes, a testament to the island's rich visual culture. The process of creating batik, a painstaking endeavor of dyeing and wax resist, is a sight to behold, a dance of creativity and patience. But these villages offer more than just a visual treat. They are a cultural experience, a chance to witness the island's artistic heritage up close. You get to interact with the artisans, learn about their craft, and even try your hand at creating your own masterpiece. It's a slice of Bali that's as authentic as it gets. Each village, each craft, each artisan is a vibrant thread in the rich tapestry of Bali's culture. They are the heart and soul of the island, the keepers of its artistic spirit. So when you visit these villages, you aren't just observing art, you're stepping into a living, breathing gallery of Bali's heritage. Discover Bali's artistic side, where every craft is a piece of the island's rich heritage. Bali's stay options are as diverse as its landscape, offering unique experiences off the beaten path. Nestled amidst the island's idyllic coastline and captivating sunsets, you'll find a variety of unusual accommodations that add a different dimension to your Bali experience. Imagine waking up in a cozy treehouse surrounded by the lush greenery of the jungle. Treehouses in Bali offer a unique blend of rustic charm and modern comfort. They are perfect for those seeking a bit of adventure, while still enjoying the conveniences of home. Plus, the bird's-eye view of the island's stunning landscape is a sight to behold. Then, there are bamboo cottages. These eco-friendly dwellings are a testament to Bali's commitment to sustainability. Built using locally sourced bamboo, these cottages provide a cool and comfortable retreat from the tropical heat. The intricate designs and natural aesthetics of these cottages offer a distinctive blend of luxury and simplicity, allowing you to appreciate the beauty of Bali's natural elements in a whole new way. And of course, we can't forget about the eco-villas. These accommodations are designed to minimize their environmental impact while maximizing comfort and style. Set amidst the island's rice terraces or overlooking the azure sea, eco-villas provide a tranquil haven for those seeking a serene and sustainable stay. They combine modern amenities with traditional Balinese architecture, creating a unique space that embodies the spirit of the island. These unusual stay options not only offer a comfortable place to rest your head at night, but also provide a unique perspective on Bali's culture and environment. By choosing these accommodations, you're immersing yourself in the local lifestyle, embracing Bali's commitment to sustainability, and experiencing the island's natural beauty in a truly intimate way. To sum it all up, in Bali, your stay isn't just a place to sleep. It's an integral part of your journey. So why settle for the ordinary when you can have the extraordinary? Experience Bali like a local, where your stay is as unique as your journey. Bali is an island full of surprises, where every nook and cranny has a story to tell. As we wrap up this Bali adventure, let's take a moment to look back on the extraordinary journey we've been on. We've wandered through the untamed beauty of the island, immersed ourselves in the spiritual essence of Bali, savored the hidden culinary gems, explored unseen nature trails, discovered hidden art and craft villages, and experienced unusual stay options. Now, you must be wondering, when is the best time to embark on this epic journey? Well, Bali is a year-round destination, but if you want to experience the island at its finest, consider visiting between April and October. This is the dry season, when the weather is at its best, offering you ample opportunities to explore and experience everything Bali has to offer. Remember, Bali is not just about the popular tourist spots. It's about going off the beaten path. It's about discovering the hidden gems that enrich your travel experience. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, tradition, and lifestyle. It's about the adventures that await you in the lesser-known corners of the island. Let's not forget the importance of respecting the local customs and traditions. Dress conservatively, especially when visiting sacred places. And if you're planning to explore the island, consider renting a scooter or a car. But if you're not comfortable with the challenging road conditions, don't hesitate to hire a local driver. They know the roads like the back of their hand and can take you to places you didn't even know existed. And finally, when it comes to accommodation, Bali offers a wide range of options to suit every budget. From homestays that give you a taste of the local lifestyle to luxurious villas that offer the ultimate in comfort and luxury, Bali has it all. So, whether you're a budget traveler or a luxury seeker, Bali has something for everyone. Remember, travel is not just about visiting a place. It's about experiencing it, living it, and making memories that last a lifetime. So don't just visit Bali, experience it, live it, make it your own. So pack your bags and set off on an unforgettable journey to Bali, where the road less traveled is indeed the one to take.